students, welcome back to class. Look, there's an account here on TikTok. The person's name is thatveganteacher Andy. Aren't you curious? I'm super curious. So I'm gonna have a look here, and the person has 10,000 followers, 10,500 followers. So let's have a look and see what we think about this. And let's evaluate some of these videos here today. Okay, what is this? Demand McDonald's makes menu 100% vegan. Oh, well, that's what I did. I went over to McDonald's when I used to be on TikTok, and I sang a song called Eating Animals is Wrong, McDonald's. Hurting animals is wrong, McDonald's. Share this song and be vegan from now on. That was a song that I sang, and I played my ukulele, and 25 million people saw that song. Yeah, so anyway, let's have a look at what he's talking about, because saying we are assholes. Okay, what's going on? So this person also has a ukulele. Let's listen.
Eating animals is wrong, McDonald's.
Hey, that's my song!
Hurting animals is wrong, McDonald's.
Hey, those are my lyrics.
Share this song and change your entire menu to be vegan from now on. Eating animals is wrong, McDonald's.
All right.
Hurting animals is wrong, McDonald's.
Good, I guess.
Share
Check mark.
this song and change your entire menu to be vegan from now on.
The more vegan videos, the better. What's this? Little vegan dog tells all the meathead dogs off. Whoops, stop eating animals. It's animal abuse. Oh, that is so cute. The little vegan dog is like, yeah, so you know what? When you go to a dog park, it's true. You cannot tell which dogs are vegan and which ones aren't. Check mark. Good job. Vegan dogs are just as healthy and just as energetic as any other dog. Just buy a good brand of vegan dog food, one that is recommended by the vet, has to have taurine in it, and you're good to go. Just pour it into the bowl and that's it. It just looks the same as any other dog food. All right.
Oh, I can't go vegan. It's too hard. Oh, what about me? Well, throw your excuses in the bin. Oh, I can't go vegan. It's too hard. Oh, what about me? Well, throw your excuses in the bin.
Okay.
So many excuses you can't go vegan. Plants feel pain.
Wait.
I can't go vegan.
Okay, so yeah, this one. Okay, non-vegan baby excuses get smashed. Okay. Yeah, a lot of people are like, oh, I can't be vegan, it's too hard, boo-hoo. So he's just making fun of them and saying, throw your excuses away. Like, come on, anyone can be vegan. So yeah, gets a check mark for that. Good job, that vegan teacher, Andy.
So many excuses you can't go vegan. Plants feel pain. I'm a lion. Blah, 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 blah. This is what you can do with your excuses. Chuck them in the bin. So many excuses you can't go vegan.
What is he doing? Is he in a garbage dump? What is he doing? Smashing things. Plants feel pain. I'm a lion. Blah blah. Okay, check mark. Andy, you get a check mark like for creativity. I mean, this is very interesting.
Would you like chocolate flavoured pus from a cow's scabby udders? Strawberry flavoured pus? Vanilla malt pus? Or iced coffee pus from a cow's scabby udders? Would you like chocolate flavoured pus from a cow's scabby udders?
No.
Strawberry flavoured pus? Vanilla malt pus?
No, thank
Or
you.
iced coffee pus?
Today,
No. Okay, so this is interesting. So
Would
he's
you like
basically filming all of the cow's milk and saying, do you want it because it does contain a certain amount of pus in there, like. It's yeah, there's bacteria. So that's what he's saying. Basically, why don't you get the vegan version instead? Australia has no legal limit of pus in the milk from cows' scabs. Oof. Okay, yuck. Thank you, Vegan Andy, for that reminder. Gross. Why would you want to drink something that comes out of somebody like? Would you drink my milk? Whatever, who's gonna come and drink my milk? Would you drink human milk out of somebody that you don't even know? It's like so weird. Why would you want to drink milk that comes out of a cow? And then it's true, sometimes they have these infections, and there's no legal limit of pus in the milk, so the cow could be sick and have an infection, and it's just like, okay, just, you know, milk her anyway, take away the put it on the shelf, like, oof. Okay, yeah, this is really creative activism here.
Today I woke up and this box of tortured birds was left at my front doorstep. I want to know who did it. I'll be calling the police. And go vegan. Today I woke up and this box of tortured birds was left at my front doorstep. I want to know who did it. I'll be calling the police. And go vegan.
Oh my goodness. Why would somebody do that? Oh, that's so mean. Okay, checkmark for showing us this. Yes, reminding us that KFC is a terrible company. And they should go cruelty-free. Yeah. Let's see the next one.
Only $1.29 to sledgehammer a baby cow in the skull, all so you can breastfeed from their mum. Only $1.29 to sledgehammer a baby cow in the skull, all so you can breastfeed from their mum. Only $1.29 to sledgehammer a baby cow in the skull, all so you can breastfeed from their mum.
Yeah, so what people don't understand is that even if you're, let's say, vegetarian and you don't eat animals, you're still part of this cycle of violence, because that's what they do to these baby cows. They take them away from the mothers, and just so that we can steal their milk. And with the milk we make cheese and yogurt. It's not right. So this is good. I'm giving him a check mark for this. A reminder, get the vegan version. Don't buy anything that comes from an animal, because there's so much exploitation. Good job, that vegan teacher, Andy.
Tell me one thing that makes you so amazing an animal should live in a prison and have their heads smashed in so you can enjoy meat, milk, eggs and cheese. What is it? Name that one thing. Drop it in the comments section, superstar. Tell me one thing that makes you so amazing an animal should live in a prison and have their heads smashed in so you can enjoy meat, milk, eggs and cheese. What is it? Name that one thing. Drop it in the comments.
Yeah, okay. I like how he's saying to drop it in the comments. So he's trying to engage with people there on TikTok. And, you know, TikTok is an interesting app. It's really difficult because people can shut down your account. So he's being very careful not to actually show any animal cruelty, but he's explaining it really well. This is good job. Good job, vegan Andy. That vegan teacher, Andy. Non-vegans think they are better than animals. Let's keep going. Vegan blokes went hunting and murdered innocent watermelon. Okay, plants feel pain too. It's the same. Is it still on the screen? Let me stop. Same as shooting a lamb in the head. No, it's not the same. Yeah, that is non-vegan logic. They actually think it's the same to shoot a watermelon as it is to hurt an innocent animal. Good job. Another check mark for you. So far, you have 10 check marks. That vegan teacher, Andy. All right, let's keep going. So you guys should check out this account on TikTok, I think. It's sort of interesting, very unique.
Oh, no.
Okay, I'm gonna... Oh,
it's just great to have that freedom again. It was getting a bit...
I'm gonna skip those because I don't know, I find that laugh just weird. I've heard it on TikTok before. Let's go on to the next one. Freedom. Hard mentally. You locked me in a jail for 6 months and axed my head off. Okay, let's watch.
Boring just sitting at home all day. I think having no sort of light at the end of the tunnel was pretty hard mentally. It's just great to have that freedom again. It was getting a bit boring just sitting at home all day. I think having no sort of light at the end of the tunnel was pretty hard mentally. It's just great to have that freedom again.
Okay, so he's talking about COVID and the freedom, the lack of freedom that humans had, and then reminding people that the animals are also very bored and they also have no light at the end of the tunnel because they're animals stuck there on these factory farms endlessly. The only time they get to see the sky is on the day that they are murdered. So you locked me in a jail for 6 months and axed my head off. Oh, so true. You know, we start to feel sorry for ourselves, but the real victims here are the animals by the billions who are stuck on these factory farms. Just horrible. Look at this pig. Why would you want to eat a pig when you can eat anything else? Okay, stop eating bacon, ham, and sausages. Go and find the vegan versions of these things, or just open your palate to all the other amazing recipes. Go and Google some vegan recipes. All right, good job. Another check mark for you.
And it was getting a bit boring just sitting at home all day. I think having no sort of light at the end of the tunnel was...
It's time to go vegan and stop making disgusting, cruel choices.
What does it say? Vegan kicked out of supermarket. Vegan versus supermarket manager and customer. He's getting kicked out. Oh, look at that. How brave he is to go in there and speak out. Good for him. Check mark for you. What's going to happen, though? How does he get kicked out?
These animals can't fight back. It's bullying. It's disgusting. Yeah, why are you lying to people? Why are you lying to people? Yeah, I'm leaving right now, but why are you lying to people?
I love my beef, man. I love my pork.
This guy loves animal abuse. That guy loves animal abuse.
Oh my God, what a terrible human to say that he loves animal abuse right in front of his kid there.
Give me my pork, man. Give me my beef.
It's time.
And do you see what the kid did? Put his arm around his dad like, come on, Dad, stop. Was that interesting?
To go vegan and stop making disgusting, cruel choices. These animals can't fight back. It's bullying. It's disgusting. Yeah, why are you lying to people? Why are you lying to people? Yeah, I'm leaving right now, but why are you lying to people?
I love my beef, man. I love my pork.
This guy loves animal abuse. That guy loves animal abuse.
Look at his kid here. He's like, come on, Dad, let's get out of here. Oh, yeah. Check mark for the kid.
That animal is no different to your pet dog. They have a bolt right into their skull. You wouldn't pay for your dog to have a bolt right into their skull. This car is no different. But the one is on everybody's hands, but it's not vegan. That animal is no different to your pet dog.
Yeah, good point. That animal is not different than your pet dog. Wow, this guy is really brave. Good job, that vegan teacher, Andy.
Why is this captive bolt pistol a violent weapon if I shoot it into the dog's brain, but if I shoot it into a pig or cow's brain, suddenly it's a fairy tale of humane slaughter that you freaks dream up? Ooh! Why is this captive bolt pistol a violent weapon if I shoot it into the dog's brain, but if I shoot it into a pig or cow's brain, suddenly it's a fairy tale of humane slaughter that you freaks dream up?
Good point. He took his sign. People don't like it when people tell them the truth about the animals, do they? Felt very threatened. All stores should be vegan only. There should be no dead animals in these stores at all. What is going on with you people? Come on, let's get a vegan world going. Good for him to be out there talking.
What does a vegan eat for dinner? Avocado, salad, seaweed soup.
Avocado, salad, some seaweed.
Sushi, soup, that much of it. Get that in ya. But vegan's too hard. I can't get vegan. It doesn't taste any good. Boo-hoo. Ugh. What does a vegan eat?
Oh my God, vegan Andy. Yeah, a lot of people cry, saying being vegan is too hard. But you know what? Too bad. Figure it out. There's thousands and thousands of foods that you can eat. And it's not about you. Come on, people. Imagine that you're the victim. You know, you would figure it out. That's what you do. You just bring home all vegan foods, put them in your fridge and in your cupboards, and then start from there. Roll up your sleeves and go, okay, that's what I got to eat. What am I going to do? That's how you do it. Exactly. Good point.
Just doing a letterbox drop of vegan flyers, safepoppy.com vegan flyers. Let me know in the comment section what you think of of your vegan flyers when you get it in the letterbox. Cheers, guys. Just doing a letterbox drop of vegan flyers. SavePoppy.com vegan flyers. Let me know in the comment section what you think of your vegan flyers when you get it in the letterbox. Cheers, guys.
Okay, so I guess he's spreading out this information to different people in their letterbox, and he's saying he's asking for some feedback. That's cool. Good job spreading awareness. So he's talking about this site called SavePoppy.com. So we should check that out. What else has he got here?
Stop ripping the sign off. This is a council initiative. It is now a $2,000 fine if you are caught taking that off that sign. Stop eating animals and go vegan. Duh! Stop ripping the sign off. This is a council initiative. It is now a $2,000 fine if you are caught taking that off that sign. Stop eating animals and go vegan.
Good sense of humor.
Stop ripping the sign off. This is a council initiative. It is now a $2,000 fine if you are caught taking that off that sign. Stop eating animals and go vegan. Duh!
All right. You know what? I think I've seen enough. What do you guys think? I mean, I have a whole pile of check marks here. Basically, I think he's very unique. He's really grabbing people's attention over there on TikTok, and that's what you got to do. And he really is an ethical vegan. So, you know, this is great. I'm going to give him an A+. Congratulations to you, That Vegan Teacher Andy, for doing a great job over there on TikTok. Everybody go follow him. Give him some love. Thanks for being here today. And coming up on the screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Be curious. Look around That Vegan Teacher's site. Click on some of them. You know, there's videos here about my dog Bella. She's been vegan since August 2017. There's videos about vegan athletes and different sites, different TikTok accounts. I'm going to go back to TikTok and watch a bunch more. So, yeah. And when you subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bell. Help me get these animals out of hell. Thanks. Bye for now.